दोस्तों वेलकम टू तोरल एजुकेशन ऑन द डिजिटल क्लास प्लेटफॉर्म। तोरल एजुकेशन में हम आज 9th का मैथ्स सीख रहे हैं, जिसमें लेसन नंबर 4 जो आपके सामने है, ग्राफ ऑफ ए लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। रिमेंबर these things. Graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. And remember some points. Here are some points. The graph is parallel to x-axis if y is equals to a. That means y is equals to constant. There is no x, then it is parallel to x-axis. To remember this, we have to remember if there is no x in the linear equation, then it is parallel to x-axis. The graph is parallel to y-axis if x equals to a. Therefore, there is no y at all. If there is no y in the equation, it is parallel to y-axis. The graph passes through origin if y equals to mx. That means no constant term. There is no constant term. See, y equals to mx means y and x, two variables are there. There is no constant term. Every point on the graph is a solution of that linear equation. Every solution of the linear equation is a point on the graph of linear equation. If we draw a graph, then there is a straight line, but every point on the straight line is a solution of the linear equation. If x equals to 0, x equals to 0 is the equation of the y-axis. That means the first coordinate x is 0, then the point comes on y-axis. If y equals to 0, then equation of the x-axis. That means equation will be x-axis. It means that the point comes on the x-axis if y is 0. Now exercise number 4.3. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. We have to draw graph. X plus y equals to 4. X plus y equals to 4. Then we have to convert this equation into y form or x form, whatever. But we have converted here in y form. So what is y form? Y equals to 4 minus x. That means x will go to the right side and it will be negative. If we take x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, we can take whatever we want. Okay. So I have taken here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be y? Y equals to 4 minus 1, that is x equals to 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Y equals to 4 minus 2, x equals to 2. Then y equals to 2. If we take x equals to 3, then y equals to 4 minus 3, that is 1. 4 minus 3 means 1. Then if we take x equals to 4, then y equals to 4 minus 4, that is 0. So our points are, first show the x coordinate and then show the y coordinate. X coordinate is x 1, then y coordinate is 3, then 1 3. If x coordinate is 2, then y coordinate is also 2. X coordinate is also known as abscissa, and y coordinate is known as ordinate. Remember this, ordinate. Then 2 2, 3 1 and 4 4 0. Now we have drawn graph. Look at the graph. Here our point 1 3, 2 2, 3 1, 4 1. Look at the graph. This is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Okay, the standing line is y-axis. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 0, 0. 0, 0 is the origin. 0, 0 is origin. We write x dash x, positive side x and negative side x dash. Here positive side y and negative side y dash. Okay. So what were our points? 1, when we take 1, then y coordinate is 3. This is 1, 3. When we take 2, x is 2, then y is also 2, 2, 2. When we take x is 3, then y is 1. When we take x is 4, then y is 0. Y is 0, we have earlier seen here that if y is 0, then it is on the x-axis. Look at this point. This is 4, 0. This point is 4, 0. So all the points are on the straight line. So this line, this graph is known as x plus y equals to 4. This is graph. If you complete this type of graph in this way, then you will get full marks. You will get full marks. Okay. Here is the graph of this equation. Now second one, x minus y equals to 2. Then we have converted this into x form. X has been made subject. X equals to 2 plus y. 2 plus y, that means taking y equals to 3 minus 2, 1. I have taken different. 3 minus 2, 1. Whatever we want to take, we can take it. So you don't think that where these numbers have come. Numbers are from. Okay. So here x equals to 2 plus y, y equals to 3, then 2 plus 3, that is 5, x equals to 5, x equals to 2 plus minus 3, plus minus minus, so 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, x equals to 2 plus minus 2, 2 minus 2, that is 0, here x is 0, in the previous sum there was y was 0, here x equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3, here 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 3 minus 2, 1. These were the answers for y, that is ordinates, and this 5 minus 1, 0 and 3 we have got abscissa. So what is our graph? Look at the graph. These are our points. So first point 5 and 3. 5 x coordinate 5 and y coordinate 3. This is our point. Second minus 1 minus 3. Look at this. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 on y axis. This is 1 2 3 minus, they are on x axis. This is y axis, this is x axis. So minus 1 and minus 3, this point. Next point was 0 and minus 2, x coordinate 0, so it will come on the y axis. Here 0 minus 2, 0 and minus 2. Again fourth point 3 1, 3 1, x coordinate 3 and y coordinate 1. So this is our graph, x minus y equals to 2. This is our graph, x minus y equals to 2. Okay, so in this way we can draw graphs. Next sum number 3, y equals to 3x, y equals to 3x. Taking x equals to 1 2 3 4, x equals to 1 2 3 4, we get y equals to 3 6 9 12. Okay, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, that is 3 6 9 12. Here our numbers, that is points. So this is our graph. Again I told you that graph of a linear equation is a straight line. And second thing, Look at the equation. There is no constant term. So the graph passes through origin. Origin, that is 0, 0. Okay. Here 1, 3. 1x, 3y. This is 1, 3. 2, 6. x2, y6. 2, 6. 3, 9. x3 and y9. This is 3, 9. This is 4, 12. 4, 12. So all the points are on the straight line, and this is our graph of this equation y equals to 3x. Next sum number 4, 3 equals to 2x plus y. So what I have done, y equals to 3 minus 2x, y equals to 3 minus 2x, this is y, and 2x will go there and it will be negative. Y equals to 3 minus 2x. Taking x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever subject is, we have to take the opposite variable x. X equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, when we took y equals to 3 minus 2 into 1, that is this one, we got 1 because 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 3 minus 2, 3 are 6. 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3. And 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. So our points, solutions, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3, 4, minus 5. Right? Abscissa and coordinates. This one, look at this point. This is 1, 1. 1 from x, 1 from y. This is 3 minus 2 minus 1. This 2 minus 1. This one is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. And this one is 4 minus 5. 4 and minus 5. Okay. These are the points on the line, and this is the equation of 3 equals to 2x. And this is the graph of 3 equals to 2x plus y. In this way, we have drawn these 4 graphs. Now question number 2. Give the equation of 2 lines passing through 2 and 14. 2 and 14. How many more such lines are there and why? We can write equations like x minus y equals to minus 2. Why? Look, x equals to 2, put here 2. Y equals to 14, put here 14. 2 minus 14, what will we get? Minus 12. So this is our equation which gets solution like 2 and 14. Next, 2x plus y. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Plus 14. 4 plus 14, that is 18. So this is our equation 2. We can write many such equations. 7x minus y equals to 0. 7x, 7 into 2, 14, minus y, that means minus 14. 14 minus 14, that is 0. These type of equations can be written infinitely many. There are infinitely many such lines because it is a point. 2 and 14 is a point, and through one point we can draw infinitely many lines. Question number 3. If point 3 and 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equals to 4x plus 7, find the value of a. This is an IMP question. So friends, please take care of such equations, such questions. Putting 3 and 4 in the equation, we get 3 into 4 equals to a into 3 because x equals to 3, and y equals to 4. X equals to 3, y equals to 4. A into 3 plus 7, that is 3 4s are 12, minus 7, 7 goes to the left side, it will be negative, and 3a. 3a equals to 12 minus 7, that is 3a equals to 5. 12 minus 7, that is 5. Here 3a equals to 5, therefore a equals to 5 by 3. This is our answer of A. Now question number 4. Look at this question. First read the question. I am reading the question now. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometers, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y rupees. Write the linear equation for this information and draw its graph. First of all, we have to write the linear equation. Fare for the first kilometer is rupees 8 given, and the subsequent distance is rupees 5 per kilometer. Now let the distance covered is x kilometer and the total fare is y rupees. So what is it? So first kilometer 8 rupees. So we have to subtract 1 because 1 kilometer is subtracted. Its fare is 8 rupees. So remaining are x minus y. Remaining kilometer are x minus 1. X minus 1. Then each kilometer is fare rupees 5. So 5 into x minus 1 plus 8 equals to y. 5 into x, that is 5x. 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5, plus 8 equals to y. Then 5x minus y, this y comes here, and 8 minus 5, that is 3. 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. This is our equation, linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now we have to convert this into y form, either x form. We have converted it into y form. 5x plus 3, y equals to 5x plus 3, because y is negative. If we take y here, it will be positive. Then y equals to 5x plus 3. This is equation, and now we have taken different values of x. X equals to minus 1, 0 and 1. If we take minimum 3 values of any variable, then we can get the graph. X equals to minus 1, 0 and 1. X equals to minus 1, 5 into minus 1 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. Here again y equals to 5 into 0 plus 3, that is 0 into 0 plus 3 is 3, and x equals to 1. Y equals to 5 into 1 plus 3 equals to 5 plus 3, that is 8. So we have got a value of y minus 2, 3 and 8. This is minus 2, 3 and 8. And we have taken x equals to minus 1, 0 and 1. Right? So this is our graph. First point minus 1, minus 2. This is y minus 2 and x minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2. Second point 0, 3. Here x coordinate is 0, axis is 0, and the point will be on the y axis. So this is 0, 3. And this one is 1, 8. 1 and 8. So draw the line here and you will get the graph. Fifth question. Choose the option from the choices given below. Choose the equation whose graph are given in figure 4.6 and 4.7. Friends, 4.6 and 4.7, these are the figures given in the textbook. So see the figures in the textbook. The graph x plus y equals to 0 is given in figure 4.6 for the equation, and graph of y equals to minus x plus 2 is given in the figure 4.7. 4.7. This m is should not be considered because here I have made a mistake. There is no m at all. Now question number 6. I am reading question number 6. Friends, if work done by a body on application, this is a question of physics, on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. Express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So what we should do, let x is the distance and y is the work done. X is the distance and y is the work done. Taking constant force is 5 units. Our equation will be y equals to 5x because constant force is 5 units. So 5 into x, right? Distance is x, y equals to work done. So 5 into x. So if we take x equals to minus 1, 0, 1, we will get the equation y equals to minus 5, 0 and 5. Take here minus 1, it will be negative, that is minus 5. Take here 0, then it will be 0. Take here 1, that is 5 1 5. We have drawn the graph. The equation has no constant term, so it passes through origin. Minus 1 minus 5. This is minus 1 minus 5. Second point is 0 and 0. This is 0 0. Third is 1 and 5. This is 1 and 5. So we have got this line. If we draw line up to 10, then we will get when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units, the work done is 10 units. Why? Because if we lengthen this graph in this direction, positive direction, then here will be 2 and the upper side y coordinate will be 10. Or we can put here 2 5s are 10, right? So this is also our answer. If work done is 0, if distance travelled by body is 0, then we have 0 units work done. Here 0 0. If we put x equals to 0, then y is also 0. Question number 7, and this 7 number question is also important. IMP. Look at the question. 8 number is important. Look at the question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contribute ₹100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contribution as x and y. Draw the graph of the same. I have not drawn the graph, but you should draw. Okay. Let Yamini contributes ₹x and Fatima contributes ₹y. Together is ₹100. So x plus y is 100. Please draw its graph on a graph paper. I don't have graph paper, so I have not drawn it. Take appropriate unit. 1 centimeter equals to 10. You can take 1 centimeter equals to 10 rupees 10. Now question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. Whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Right? So this is equation. You should also remember this equation. This is a linear equation in two variables. F and C are variables. This is conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius and Celsius into Fahrenheit. Okay. So first, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Friends, please draw the graph by your own. Take here different values and you will get f as different values, and you can take x and y axis on the graph paper and draw the graph. Second question is, if temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? 30 degree, this Celsius is 30, so I have taken here 30, 6 5s are 30, here will be 6, 6 9s are 54 plus 32, that is 86 degree Fahrenheit. So it was second question. Now it is third. If temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So I have taken here 95 because 95 degree Fahrenheit is written. 95, 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Okay, 32 will go to the left side and it will be negative. 95 minus 32 equals to 9 by 5 C. Okay, 95 minus 32, that is 63. And 5 is in the denominator. It will go into numerator in multiplication, and 9 is in the numerator. It will go to the denominator as division. Okay, 63 into 5 upon 9. So 9 7s are 63. It will be cut off. 7 5s are 35. So C equals to 35 degree Celsius. Here will be Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Celsius. Fourth number, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So this is two questions. These are two questions. If 0 degree Celsius, then put here 0. It will be 0. So the whole term is 0. 0 plus 30, that is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And here Fahrenheit is 0. 0 equals to 9 by 5 into 30, C plus 32. 32 will go to the left side and it will be negative. So 9 by 5 C minus 32. C equals to 5 will go to upper side, that is in numerator, and 9 will go to the denominator. So it will be in division. So 32 into 5, that is 160, minus 160 divided by 9, that is 17.8 degrees Celsius approximately, because it is non-terminating decimal. So I have taken here approximately. And 5 number and the last number of this exercise, 5 and the last. 5 number, is the temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and the Celsius? Yes, they can be numerically equal. Let's take Fahrenheit equals to Celsius in the equation. So this is our equation. I have taken F equals to C, that is F equals to C in this. C equals to 9 by 5 into C plus 32, because F equals to C given, right? Here 5 is the LCM, 5C and 5 into 32. Okay, so 5C equals to 9C plus 160. 9C will go to the left side. 5C minus 9C minus 4C equals to 160, right? So C equals to 160 upon minus 4. So it will be minus 40 degree. Minus 40 degree, when temperature is minus 40, then Fahrenheit and Celsius both are equal, numerically equal. Therefore, at minus 40, the numerical value of both is equal. So friends, these were the questions in this, and now here I have written, friends, exercise 4.4. contains graphs that you can draw easily. So you should do that exercise by yourself. You should do this exercise by yourself. Friends, here I would like to tell you that I have explained every sum of this exercise, and now you will have to do these sums by yourself. If you don't understand anything in the video, then you can ask me in the query or see the video again and again. If you see the video, you will get everything. And friends, suggest your friends, recommend your friends to buy our course from digital class platform, and keep it up, keep yourself up for better result. Do practice every time without any laziness. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.